Okay, how you doing, Waffles? Here we go. We're gonna do a little tutorial, okay, on a refrigerator. What's going on right now is that the freezer is working. It's nice, full of milk right now, because I'm just keeping it cold. All right, so the freezer's working, but not keeping my huevos cold enough. Therefore, I put them in ice so it can stay cool. All right, so I called the man, the serviceman, because I didn't have time, and I cleaned it out, pulled it all out, you know, because it's really close, but it doesn't need to be that much gap in the back because it pulls all the air from the front. These fridges pull all the air from here. You have to make sure that's nice and clean. And what's going on now is that the condenser is working. Yep, the condenser is working. But what is not working is, sorry, I already took this apart. Took this down. And what it's not working is this. Is a damper. This controls a little window door there that opens and lets the cold air from the fridge, from the freezer, come into the regular area to keep everything nice and cold. So this is not working because it's not opening. And you know what? It cost cost me $150. But is value more, but because they know me at the place, they give it to me for $150. It should be like $170, so $20 off. And I went and I picked it up. It's a damper regulator, and I'm gonna install it. I'm gonna open it and see what happens. And let's see. This is the bill. Cost me $150. So I'm gonna open this. I hope this is good. Sorry for my video skills and the iced tea looks good right now. Here's the brand new part. So, see this? That's the little flap that opens. And what I was told is that this little motor went. Okay, so this piece goes there. And it goes right there. Okay, now I'm gonna remove the other one. Unfortunately, I'm gonna need my hands, so I'll see you later.